Hi everyone, my name is Nika and I'm a second year in Merthyr College. I'm currently studying Built Environment, Engineering and Art. I first started being interested within construction and subjects similar to that within high school. I took engineering and I really found my passion for it. I knew that I was someone who really liked to do hands-on work and things with more creativity. As a woman within construction and taking subjects such as architecture and engineering, it was really scary to go into a male-dominated subject and field. And I was really scared that I would be one of the only girls, that I wouldn't fit in, that I'd be quite nervous, but I definitely found my place. And especially something that helped me with this was the AMBE Construction Academy that I was introduced to in my first year. AMBE Academy is for learners that go above and beyond. And within AMBE, we partner with Tilbury Douglas, and they provide us with different things such as CV practice, interviews, advice on what people might find in terms of jobs and students. And I also had a lot of incredible opportunities like going to Edinburgh and Dubai to see real life structures, the work that they do, the different roles within construction, and the different things that I can go into in the future. And it's been a massive help as well for me to see how big the industry is and what things I can go into. I have actually been offered an apprenticeship for civil engineering when I finish college in June. I am able to just go straight into a career that I was really excited to go into, I was very interested in, and something that I was looking forward to a lot and something I've been researching for the past year. And it's fantastic to have an opportunity presented to me and given to me straight after college, to know that my future is secured and that I have a place welcome and ready for me. And it's just incredible to know that, like I said, as a woman in STEM, most girls won't think they'll have these opportunities. And it's incredible to see how much the college does support women in STEM and how much they really do want you to thrive and grow as a person. It's been an amazing help and it's been huge. I'm forever grateful for the college and the experience that I've had, Tilbury Douglas and my tutors and things like that. The biggest message I just want to send out to all the girls watching this today is to say that if I can do it, so can you. And please, please do not stop doing what you are passionate about and what you want to go into because you're scared that it's a male-dominated field or you won't feel welcome. People will make space for you and you can find your own path and you can do the things that you want to do. Don't let anyone stop you.